Number 5. The Cobra Smart Dash Cam Plus Rear Cam is the perfect companion for your car. With 2 full HD cameras and an easy-to-use app, you will be able to capture and share crystal clear videos of your journeys. It starts with a wide-angle camera designed to capture the road ahead and monitor traffic around you. The camera is equipped with night vision, so you can drive with confidence all day and night. Plus, you can use it to record in loop format, so you can always keep an eye on the road. The second camera is a rear camera designed to offer you added peace of mind. It records what's happening behind you, giving you an extra layer of security. With the free app, you can monitor the rear camera in real time and even share videos of your journey with friends. The Cobra Smart Dash Cam Plus Rear Cam is designed to be simple and intuitive to use. It comes with an easy-to-read display and quick access buttons, so you can quickly and easily adjust the settings. Plus, you can set up alerts to let you know if something unusual is happening on the road. This amazing combination of technology allows you to record both the front and rear views of your vehicle, giving you a comprehensive view of the road and traffic conditions. The high-definition video quality ensures you have a clear, detailed image of what is going on around you. The Cobra Smart Dash Cam Plus Rear Cam also includes a variety of other features. To help you be a safer driver, it includes an emergency alert system that sends an SOS.
If you're one of the 30 million plus car owners driving the busy roads of Britain each day, wanting to keep yourself safe and avoid becoming the victim of unfair claims on your car insurance, then it'd probably be a pretty good idea if you are rocking one of Kenwood's award-winning dash cams. Like the feature-packed DRV A601W, the top-of-the-range 4K model, with Wi-Fi to easily grab your footage and a quick-release magnetic mount. It's ideal for plug-and-play. Polarizing filter reduces glare in all weather, come rain or shine, with 130-degree viewing angle, large 3-inch screen, HDR, and GPS, giving you the right location, date, and time of any incident. When fitted with the optional hardwire kit, stop-start technology and intelligent parking mode are added. There's nothing much worse than returning from the shops to your, no doubt, impeccably parked car, only to find someone's done a hit and run. Oh yeah, and it records sound too. With smart parking mode, if your vehicle has been hit, your dash cam will help you show who's responsible. You can also add a rear view camera to give you complete peace of mind. The Kenwood DRV A601W dash cam. It will never miss a thing. For our latest offers and some great value bundle deals, visit kenwoodshop.co.uk for more details.
The Miofive 4K Dash Cam. Enjoy a human eye view driving camera experience in your car with 4K ultra high definition resolution with the new Miofive 4K Dash Cam. This 4K Dash Cam comes with a 2.2 inches IPS screen that has clarity as same as your iPhone Retina display, unlike most dash cam displays that have regular LCD screens. This gives you 160-degree wide viewing angle to assist your drive with a better view. This high-quality camera uses a built-in GPS technology and AI algorithms and examines the driving environment through its digital signal processor to assist your drive by measuring speed and giving you a recorded trip memory report. The Miofive Dash Cam comes with 5G Wi-Fi that gives you super fast download speeds than regular dash cams that have only 2.4G Wi-Fi. No need to spend money on an extra SD card. The Miofive camera has built-in eMMC storage and has a time-lapse G sensor that gives your car 24-hour surveillance monitoring. Say goodbye to your old regular dash cam. Fit your new Miofive 4K camera in your car and enjoy a whole new driving experience with the cutting-edge camera technology. A special discount is available for a limited period. Order your Miofive 4K dash cam now.
Number 2. This video will provide a detailed overview of the 70mm Dash Cam Omni, a cutting-edge in-car camera that has revolutionized the way we drive. The Omni features a wide-angle lens so you can capture every detail of your journey, and with its advanced image stabilization technology, you can be sure that your footage is always clear and stable. The Omni's night vision mode ensures that you can keep recording no matter what time of day it is. It also has an intelligent motion detection mode, which can alert you to any potential hazards on the road. Additionally, the Omni features an emergency recording mode for any unexpected events, automatically capturing and locking the relevant footage. The Omni is also equipped with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to access your recordings directly on your smartphone. This makes it easy to download, review, and share your footage. You can also use the 70My app to control the camera, adjust settings, and share recordings with your friends. The 70My Dash Cam Omni is the perfect tool for those who want to stay safe on the road and capture every moment of their journey. Number 1. When it comes to protecting your vehicle, you need the most advanced security system available. That's why Ring Car Cam is the perfect choice. This vehicle security cam comes with 2 dual-facing HD cameras that provide 360-degree coverage and crystal clear video. It records in 1080p resolution and has night vision, so you can be sure you're seeing the most detailed footage possible. Ring Car Cam is easy to install and use. You can connect it to your car's OBD2 port or hardwire it in place with the included mounting bracket. Once it's in place, you can monitor your car from anywhere. The companion app for iOS and Android allows you to view live footage of your vehicle and record or download clips for later use. Ring Car Cam also keeps your car protected from theft. It has a built-in motion detector that triggers an alarm if your car is tampered with. This feature is especially useful for long-term parking. You'll get an alert on your phone, so you can take action before any damage is done. With Ring Car Cam, you can rest assured that your car is always secure.